The field of communication has radically progressed through the invention of the mobile telephone, and it's made us busier than ever before. Talking over the phone, making business calls, telemarketing, and virtual conferencing are some of the regular tasks for people who work in real estate, marketing, finance, brokerage, and customer service industry. The invention of Bluetooth headset has facilitated the talking over the phone, and technological advancement is regularly bringing better quality headset in the market. If you're working in a busy location most of the time, but you talk a lot over the phone, then a noise-cancelling headset would be a great solution to your problem. And today, we've selected the BlueParrot B450 noise-cancelling Bluetooth headset for its fantastic noise-cancelling and phone call support.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more next tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The BlueParrot B450-XT noise-cancelling Bluetooth headset is a fantastic one-sided headset for the use of professionals. The headset is mainly designed for the people who speak a lot over the phone and need a noise-cancelling headset. So, if you're on the move most of the time, then it would be an excellent headset for you. The B450-XT Bluetooth headset is unquestionably fantastic when it comes to noise cancellation. It would take 96% of noise even on a busy street. And the sound quality is excellent. You won't have any difficulty hearing a phone conversation even on the most bustling street. The BlueParrot B450-XT has a long signal range. It can receive the signal from 300 feet away from the paired device. You can easily move around your office or home and talk without any disruption. That's a fantastic thing to do, isn't it? The ear cushion is big and comfortable, and the headband is flexible. You can wear it for hours after hours without any discomfort. It comes with a voice control feature that makes it even more useful. The headset has volume control buttons and can be paired with two devices through the multi-connection feature. The BlueParrot comes with a powerful battery that will let you use it for 24 hours non-stop, and it can last up to 500 hours in the standby mode. Let's investigate the user's rating about the BlueParrot B450-XT Bluetooth headset, and here's some comments about the product from people who have already used it. The headset has got 4.3 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 4,986 ratings, suggesting that it's a great headset indeed. Users have given high ratings for its noise cancellation function, voice detection function, sound quality, and battery life. Here are some comments from real customers. One person has given 5 stars to the headset and wrote, "Build is very strong. Better than that one aluminum strip across your head. This looks and feels like a real professional headset. This is the ultimate best Bluetooth that BlueParrot has released to date. In my mind at least." Another person has provided 5 stars and commented, "After several weeks of use, I cannot stress what a great headset this is. I put it through so many situations with loud background noise, and I hear perfectly, and the person on the other end does as well. Just get this headset, you won't be disappointed." Unfortunately, some people didn't like the headset. Among them, one person rated 1 star and commented, "I experienced nothing but trouble with this model. Dropped calls, half of all calls made, I was muted and received could not hear me. I would have to turn the Bluetooth off and back on to get the dumb thing to unite. I think I was able to use the voice commands once or twice at the most successfully." That's all we have on the BlueParrot B450-XT noise cancelling Bluetooth headset for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.